Room tour of room 710 of the Hilton Cabana Miami Beach Resort. This is located in Miami Beach. The hotel has been around since 1951, but just got a full refresh in 2024. This is a standard king room with an intercoastal view, but this gives you a pretty good idea of what the king rooms look like. They will be a little bit different depending upon what it is, because there's only, I believe, 231 rooms in this hotel, and because it's a boutique hotel, they're all a little bit different. I love the full-size mirror. It's very pretty looking, as well as being effective. You're going to find your luggage rack here, which is great, so you can unpack easily. The desk is nice and modern right here with a lamp if you need the extra light right there. It does not have any plugs in there, but there are plenty of plugs throughout the room. You're going to have your flat screen television behind this piece of it. And then, like I mentioned, you've got plugs. So there is actually right here, there are two plugs plus a USB-C and a regular USB just below that piece of it for you to plug in, which actually I like better than being on the lamp. And then you're also going to have plugs right over here, which are your two standard plugs. You'll find a chair and a table. So if you want to sit, relax, read, get ready, work, whatever the case may be, you can do it from this or from the desk. This is the view of the Intracoastal. So if you come a little bit closer, you can go ahead and see that right outside. This room is on the 7th floor, so you are going to see the Intracoastal. If you're on a lower floor, you're not actually going to see the Intracoastal there. This window, while it looks like it opens, does not actually open for safety reasons, so just be aware of that. The curtains very nicely have the sheer if you just want to keep a little bit of light out or privacy, but then you do have the second layer of the blackout curtain, so it's great for you to be able to sleep a little bit easier because these come across. For me, I need perfect light or lack of light to sleep in, so I always bring my sleep mask anyway. Love my Manta sleep mask. Coming around back this way, you're going to find your bed with a lamp on either side that has the manual switch. The decor is beautiful. It's kind of a muted Art Deco with pops of color as opposed to the full-on Art Deco. It's very nice. I like it. You're going to have on this side some storage in the nightstand, and then you've got more outlets back over here with two more outlets immediately right there, so you don't have to worry about unplugging lamps like I do in some hotels. Plus another one right there, and another double outlet plus USB and USB-C. You're also going to find a coffee maker in every room with your selection of coffees and teas, as well as bottles of water, and then the ice bucket for you to fill. Directly below this is going to be your refrigerator. So it's a mini fridge, perfect for storing leftovers, or if you get a beverage and want to keep it nice and chilled. There is Publix and drugstores and so forth in walking distance if you want to grab something. This is going to be your dresser with a closet bureau with plenty of hangers in here. You've got your ironing board as well as the iron itself. And then this is going to be your standard safe in terms of the operation. This is a nice wide safe. I'd say you could probably fit a 17-inch laptop in here, and it's pretty deep. You can see it's going all the way to my elbow, from fingertips to elbow. So it's great to fit everything that you're going to need in here. And then to operate it, we all know how this goes. You do your 4-digit code like 1, 2, 3, 4. Please be more creative, and then press lock. And then to unlock it, you're going to press that same 4-digit code again to unlock it. And then the next time that you use it, you're going to reset it with another code. You've got 2 more drawers down here, 3 more drawers to store items, which is great for unpacking if you choose to do so. I know some people are not unpackers. You've got your door lock security, super easy. Just flip it open or closed for that piece of it. And then the other thing that I have not mentioned yet is right over here, you have the control of the ceiling fan as well as the temperature control for the room. So you are in control of this exactly how you want it to be. Last thing to go ahead and show you is the bathroom that's in here. So as you first come in, you're going to see that the toilet is on the far side. In this room, at least, of the shower, there are glass shower doors with the bath mat hanging up. This is Crabtree and Evelyn products here. They've got the bottles, shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. It is a single shower head here, as well as a shower cap with a stay dry and washcloth, easy open or easy on, easy off control for your showers. It's a decent sized shower, not huge, but totally worth it. Door only opens towards you, it does not open the other direction. And then you're going to find your full size mirror with some lighting around it, as well as a magnifying mirror, because who doesn't want to find all those stray hairs and everything else? Your body lotion is immediately here. And then there is bar soap for you to use, plus Kleenex. It's a single sink, but it's nice and wide, which gives you great ability to place things to get ready. And then your hair dryer, which is the Conair 1875 watt, which again, pretty standard for hotels now. So it's not a super, super fancy hair dryer, but it works pretty well. So this is available to you, as well as your towels right here. And if you need more, obviously you can go ahead and ask for them. But this gives you a pretty good sense of what the hotel room looks like. Again, this is the King Standard Room. This is an Intracoastal view. They have lots of different views, lots of different setups. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Otherwise, enjoy your stay at the Hilton Cabana Miami Beach Resort.